Hi, I'm S. Mohan, Assistant Professor, Department of EC, Government College of Engineering, Singapore, Tanjavur. Uh, Today we are going to see the robotics. In robotics, we are going to discuss the topic about end effector design. These are the end effector. End effectors are nothing but the end arm of the robot. In a robot, we can use a hand or any wheel or any machine. The end of the robot, which will do the many applications. What we need, what we need from the robot, it can do it by the end user, end effectors. This is what is end effector. An end effector is a device or a tool that connected to the end of the robot arm, where the hand would be. Maybe it would be a hand. The end effector is a part of the robot that interacts with the environment. The structure of an end effector and the nature of the programming and hardware that drives it depends on the task of the robot it will be performing. Effector, a device that affects the physical environment. With the wheels on a mobile robot or legs, wings, fins, whole body might push objects. Grippers on assembly robot or welding gun, paint sprayers, speakers, light, tracing pen are the end effectors of the robot. Although end effector can be thought of in terms of the human hand, end effector design can in many cases be far superior to the human hand. For example, they can handle cargo by other means that mechanical gripping offers superior gripping power to deal with heavy cargoes. They can be made resistant to hot, corrosive, electrically live, or sharp cargo. It can be made resistant to hostile environment, example chemical paths, radioactive chambers, furnaces, etc. They can be changed to suit different tasks. The ideal end effector should exhibit certain desirable characteristics in its design. However, practical limitations of often poses a compromises. Points to remember in design are that end effector should be a lightweight as possible to increase payload. It should be a small. It should be small as possible to maximize access within the working envelope. It should be rigid as possible to maintain accuracy and repeatability. It should be safe in their operations. It should be available at reasonable cost. These are the robot arms which are used in the any robot arm end effectors. It is simple push or sweep. Grippers in different shapes and size or strength. Vacuum cup, scoop, hook, and magnetic. Tools for specific purpose like drills, welding torch, spray heads, scalpel, etc. Hands for variety of purposes. Types of end effectors. There are two main types of end effectors. First one is tools and grippers. Tools are used to perform a process, example spot welding, spray painting. Grippers are used to grasp and manipulate objects, example parts during work cycle. A common end effector one is shown in the figure. Tools, spot welding, arc welding, drilling, grinding, deburring, etc. It is also used in cutting device like laser, water jet, torch, etc. Last one is spray painting. Next one is a gripper. Grippers are mechanical, vacuum magnetized, adhesive, simple hooks, scoops. Grippers are devices which can be used for holding or gripping an object. They include what you might call mechanical hands and also anything like hooks, magnet, and suction device which can be used for holding or gripping. Grippers take advantage of point-to-point control That is path that the robot take between what it is picking up and where it is placing it. Grippers should be designed so that it requires the minimum amount of maneuvering in order to grip the workpiece. Types of grippers. The types of grippers, these are the types of grippers. First one, mechanical device, hooks and scoops. Mechanical grippers, two or more fingers actuated by the robot of the controller. These are the types of grippers. Vacuum grippers, suction of cups used to hold flat objects. Magnetized grippers, a type of wind effector that use electromagnet or permanent magnet to pick up metallic objects. Adhesive device, adhesive substance used to hold flexible material. These are the types of grippers. That's all. This is the end of this section. Thank you.